Good evening, friends. Good evening, my fellow traders. Good evening, my students, my subscribers. I greet you all. Today is Monday, 15th day of February 2021. The time now is 12:39 a.m. West African time. Okay, today's video will be short because I couldn't have time to analyze so many pages. Okay, so let me start. I went back to bigger time frame, just as it has always been. It doesn't change all the time. USD card, bigger time frame, as I have said many months ago, that we will likely get below 1.2 before we talk about buying. We must get to 1.2, 1.19, 1.18, 1.15 before we talk about buying. So I'm looking for this structure, this very big structure, A, B, C, to complete at below 1.2 anyway. So that's for weekly chart. It's good to know where the market is going in a bigger time frame. That is what we're looking at in next month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 1 year, and so on. What it means that this year we might be selling USD card maybe till April or May before we begin to buy, and if we begin to buy, maybe before August, September, we might cross this place, or maybe by next year we must cross this place. Remember, this is a weekly chart, but let me go to daily. On daily chart, the smaller the time frame, the clearer on how to trade it becomes. Okay, you can see this place. If you take the bigger time frame, you can just enter sell at this place, and your stop loss will be either here or here, depending on your risk appetite. So, but the matter there is that we will likely break this line again and continue going down. Okay, see this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is down here. The 5, we have gotten 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, and the 5. This 5 might shift down here, or we may get the 5 here, get 3 waves pullback, and get another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down below 1.2. So that's it. On 4 hours, you can see that's the wave 3. This is A, B, C. And wave 4 started and wave 4 ended. This wave 4 should be here, and this will be wave 1. Or anyway, this is wave 4, but and this will be one of, in internal structure. This is A, B, C, D, a triangle, which means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Maybe you may get something like 5, internal structure of 5, but here is bigger wave 1. So either wave 2 have ended, or we may have some correction. Maybe something like this again may happen. If there will be a big delay, then before we may get a delay here, we will get something like this here, then the selling will continue. The message is that with USD card is not for buy now. That's the whole message I'm giving you. That's my own opinion. USD card is not a buy. Some scalpers may find areas and reasons to buy. Maybe after some hours they close it. I don't scalp. Okay, on 1 hour, it's become clearer. You can see this move is sharp, and this is correction. This is sharp again, and whenever we have a sharp movement, we expect a correction. So we might have something like A, B, C, or W, WXYXZ before the selling, but the message is there. As long as the pair remains below 1.276, we're gonna sell on 1 hour, and as long as it's below 1.28, 288, 285, 287 on bigger time frame, it also remains selling. So let's go to another pair. Pounds US dollar. On weekly chart, pounds US dollar is a buy market. So this very move is somehow corrective. This WXY XZ, we're looking for Z. Maybe after Z we begin to go down, or this Z may cross above this. So what I'm trying to say that looking for buy, but you know this is a weekly chart anyway, so you don't read you don't read the weekly chart. The weekly chart is to show us where the market is going in the next, in far future, near or far future. So we look for buy weekly chart. Let's go to daily chart. I'm expecting WXY or ABC. There's difference between WXY and ABC. They are all three waves structure, but they are different. So all my students will explain to you the difference. So I'm expecting, before you see in the weekly it's buying, but on the daily it's not a good idea to buy now because of this type of move. Whenever this type of move happens, expect this type of move again. So I will prefer to sell GBUSD, maybe depending on what I see on 4 hours and 1 hour. If what I see on 4 hours and 1 hour does not convince me to sell, then I will leave it to know when to enter the buy. But when this begins to happen, it may happen within 1 week. If you count this, it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, about 17 days this happened. So this may likely take similar or longer time to happen. But whenever it begins to happen, know that it will surely get to this area. So that's the message. But it may still go higher before it begins. Let's see 4 hours chart. So on 4 hours chart, as I said, 4 hours chart have already given us, it's trying to give us a buy setup. So after this structure, this decoration, inside here is WXY. So it's a correction, and you can see the sharp move, and we are looking at for another correction. Either it may be simple, WXY, then it begin to go, or WXY, then wave A, wave B may come up here and give us another WXY as wave C, then we buy. So from what I see here, sir, I will not even try to sell. I will look for buy, and if I buy, I take my profit this area 1.14, 1.1450, 1.141, and so on. So let's go to 1 hour. On 1 hour, you can see that this move is moving in 5 waves. This is wave 1. Let me come down. This is wave 1, A, B, C, 2. This is wave 3. Now, pay attention here. There is what we call complex correction, and if it happens to be complex correction, it means that this wave 4 is not over. But now we assume that this ABC has started wave 4, that we are buying. If that is the case, you will get a little pullback maybe around here, and buy continues. And if you enter buy here, if you get a buy setup here, and it turns back around here, don't be surprised. Then you know that it wanted to make a bigger correction. Then this A, B, C will be shifted. It will turn to WXY. Then this will be the A will be here, B will be somewhere here, then C will be here. So if you are buying, know that it may still come down below this place. So give it a bigger A, B, C before it begins to go up finally. So in any case, buying is the way. Euro USD. I wanted to go to weekly also to show us the bigger time frame. So if I go to monthly, I would have shown you something. So Euro USD have been going up since 1972. It's been going up since 1972. So what happens is that we are going, this is wave A, this is wave B, and this is wave C. It means that maybe by end of this year or next year or in 2 years time, we will get to this place 1.8 on Euro USD. So for this reason, don't just begin to buy because of this. This is a weekly chart. One candle takes a week to complete, and this chart is zoomed out, so don't bother yourself about it. Or bear in mind that it wants to come, your USD is buying. Okay, now let's go to daily chart. Daily chart, you can see that we are getting wave 5. This is wave 1. Then this is 2. 2 is somewhere here. This chart has been on my videos many times. This chart is the inverse of DXY, dollar index. So, and I'm just repeating myself, but it's still valid. The one I made last year is even still valid. So if you want to see something more, you go to old videos or old charts. For those who are with my Telegram channel, I always advise you to save the charts of daily and weekly charts, because I'm not to be doing it all the time. So now this is wave 1, 2 is somewhere here. Then we have wave 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, and we have WXY, or rather ABC wave 4. Now we have started. This is wave 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and 5. Now the message here is that this wave 4 might not be over, so you might have a double correction. Something like this might happen. So this is A, B, C, and instead of going up from here, it make WXY and drop again. So this type of thing might happen here again. So if you enter buy and all of a sudden it begins to come down, don't think that you are wrong. Just know that the market is trying to make a double correction. Okay, now let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, is telling us that the correction is over. Because it cannot be so sure until it closes above here. But for now, if we get above this place, we buy. But bear in mind, just as what I showed you on this very box is what we saw on daily candle. So bear in mind that we might get another correction from here. Maybe just right from here it will come down, or it may go deeper, maybe somewhere here and come down, or the correction might have ended here. Then the buying continues. Okay, 1 hour. You can see the internal structure. 1 hour. This is 1, 2, 3. Then A, B, C. I expect a further drop around here. If I get the price below this line again, or even near it as a contracting flat, then I would like to buy Euro USD for now. I'll be looking for sell all this while, but for going back to weekly chart, I can see that the selling will not be deep. So that's the message. This selling might have been the current selling for USD. So this might be the next impulse. That is already an impulse. So I expect that another little push down and join the buyers. Okay, I will end my video here. By tomorrow I'll try to cover some other things. I couldn't do much because I went to my village to see my mom. Okay, so now I'll end the video. You can always ask the questions in the comment box, like and share our video, join our Telegram channel where you will learn more and ask your questions. Share our video with your friends who want to learn. I have said that I have a students class. Those who want to learn, you pay little money. It's better to pay the little money to learn than to lose it in trading. If you don't have a profitable trading system, learn wave trading. It's very, very good. Thank you. God bless you. Trade with care. Bye.